Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to access Sophos XG firewall using Sophos Central without admin password. In this case, if you forget your admin password, if you have Sophos Central and you integrated your firewall to Sophos Central, then you can access without any passwords and it is working. I am also using. So in this case, if you forget password, if you not remember, if you want to access directly without any username password, then you can do that. How can we set up and how can we do that? Let's start. So you need to sign in with your Sophos Central accounts. You can go here and you can see sophoscentral.com and you need to register your firewall on this portal, Sophos portal. So I have registered my firewalls. This is my firewalls IP, my firewalls model numbers and my public IP, and this is version, and it is connected to my Sophos Central account. And now when you check your firewall is connected, and if you how to connect the firewall to Sophos Central account, I have created already video. You can go on this play store, sorry, playlist, and you can check. I have recently created on the same video. So here, once you connected your firewall to Sophos Central, then it will display here. It looks like this, and you can see the reports and everything. And next, you need to go to the firewall sections. When you go to in the firewall sections, so this page also the same. If you want to see the graph, then click on here. You can see the utilization report, current firewall gathering report last 2 to 3 days. But now our concern is how to access. If you want to access your firewall, then you need to click on this label. You can see on my cursor, when I click this button, so you can see connecting to firewall management UI. Connecting maybe 30 seconds more depending on internet connections, authentication session, and opening firewall web admin. You can see my firewall is now accessible, and here is no any IP, but here is something different URL. You can see, you can see, you can see, yeah. So firewall is loading. So now here not asking for any username, passwords. You can directly access. So in this case, if you forget passwords, still you want to access your file, then you, if you have a Sophos Central account, then you can do that the same. So now you can see it is loading, and you can also see here are my login name, and here are my URLs provided by Sophos, and you can see I have successfully logged in my firewalls. And how to connected this firewall to Sophos Central? You can go in the administration section, and it is very easy, and here you can create any policy, any rule, and apply it for the all users. So this situation you can use. If you have Sophos Central, then you can use these features. Otherwise you cannot use. Little bit slow from physical to virtual, but little bit slow if you using the same. So now I'm going to click on administration portal. So licensing, yeah, let's show you device system services, Sophos Central. You can see here a one icon, Sophos Central. Let's check. It taking little bit time, but let's check. Yeah, you can see I have connected Sophos Central registration. I have registered this firewall, and my email address, heartbeat also enable, synchronization application also enable, Sophos Central services enable, and status manage. If you disable this icon, then I cannot access firewall from Sophos Central, and if you enable, then you can access your firewall without username, admin, passwords. And also you can deregister, and if you click on configure, here are many options. like send report to logs to Sophos Central, manage from Sophos Central. If you deselect manage from Sophos Central, then I cannot access firewall using Sophos Central. And send configuration backup to Sophos Central. If you select these options, then you can use these services, otherwise you cannot use. So this is a features you can use, and you can enjoy. And thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel video. Jai Hind.